Good morning. Today I am going to Henham Steam Fair, and although I'm going to have all my bike gear on, I'm not going to have Bumblebee with me because I'm riding in Pillion. As some of you know, I put a call out a month or so ago because I was really missing riding Pillion, and today I'm going out with a group of guys and jumping on the back of one of them, so I'm really excited about that. My new t-shirt even came just in time for the occasion. No, I don't look like her. I look like me, and that's fine. Stay tuned for footage from the Henham Steam Rally, and there is so much more than just steam and traction engines. There's cars, there's bikes, there's lorries, there's army stuff, there's fairgrounds, there's all sorts. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Biggest smile on my face. If you're just here for the steam rally, they'll just keep flicking forwards. There's not an awful lot of riding, but if it's not your thing, then that's fine. Don't go away though. If, however, you're a petrol head like me and you love riding, then just stay tuned and come ride with us. This is the tricky bit. This is the tricky bit. Getting off. Right, come. Oh, wait, that's it.
You slide forward and you could put one foot down onto there.
Can I just grab your hand? Thank you. Let's stop for breakfast at Posh Pigs. Apparently it's legendary. I've never been here though, but I'm here now, and I'm not going to lie, that was a little bit emotional. Lots of big smiles, but quite a few tears too. This is my ride for the day, Triumph Tiger, which ironically is what Andy was looking at getting had he got out of hospital. But I do like to think that he's riding whatever he wants, whenever he wants, wherever he wants now.
You got to know where the good calves are.
Oh yeah.
Get a bit of muesli on board.
That's good. I've got another stop now that I know about. So.
Posh Pigs.
The other good one is the lighthouse in Lowestoft.
Oh yeah, I used to go there quite a bit.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
kick up. Will I run in when I throw something? When there's more than one, there won't be a leader to attack. Well, that one is me. Hopefully. So, we'll get the two dummies back. See if they run.
You don't sit there on the bay.
This is a James ML military lightweight, and it's nicknamed the Clockwork Mouse because you wind it up and it goes just like a clockwork mouse. And 600 of these landed on D-Day. Thank you, Rob Vince, for the information and showing your beautiful bike. If you're liking this film, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share with your mates. And if you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee, you can do so by pressing on the link in my description and my bio, and it's all very much appreciated. realised, stood in amongst all these tractors, that I've never been in a tractor. Never even sat in one, let alone ridden on one. But Tim has got a few at home. So, in due course, there may be a tractor vlog coming up. Reverse trike, a bumblebee. Capri, this can be yours for £18,500. This has got a bespoke, one-off fiberglass body kit. The only type, the only one in the whole wide world. There's my Landy. I am a pink girl really, as much as I'm a tomboy. I do love me pink. The Busby van.
Lovely, she is, isn't it? True Slater. I know you won't go to the door, but...
Combat engineer a tractor. Well, I think we're all done. It was a really good day. I wouldn't have necessarily come on my own, but I've really enjoyed it. It's £17 to get in, plus you get one for free. I'd like to say a big thank you to Tim and to Derek, who is my chauffeur for the day. I've had a great time. Thanks, guys. Go up. Okay. It's been an absolutely amazing day riding Pillion again. Extra special thanks to Derek and also to Tim. And all that's left for me to say is ta-ta for now.